Salams and welcome. Just a quick reminder that October is now very, very busy. Alhamdulillah, we've got two major projects that we're going to go through. First, we reminding ourselves that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month and final exams. I'll be sharing some exam and study tips, secrets and tips for passing your exams. So please remember, if you have any family member who's suffering from breast cancer, or even if there's a genetic tendency, your mother, grandmother, or someone in the family had breast cancer, please let's follow this program. Tell others to watch this program. We'll be looking at self-examination, how to do the self-examination, looking out for lumps and so on. And then please tell your children, grandchildren, and even for adult learners, if you're studying, for example, you're past the age of 20 or 30 and you're going back to adult classes, so I'll be sharing with you some exams and study tips. Remember that insofar as the brain is, and remember my philosophy is always to make things very, very simple, right? So just in brief, this is, I don't know if you can see that I'm struggling with the space, but nevertheless, alhamdulillah, the blue line shows the time that you have. Time is a fixed constant. So what you need to do, the date of your exam, say it's 15th of November, whatever the date is, from the date of your exams to the time that you have here, this blue line indicates the amount of time that you have. Whether you like it or not, every day is going to go past. So calculate how many days you got, 30 days or 40 days, and divide that by the number of subjects you have. So you basically got about 5 days per subject, right? The purple line here indicates the amount of work that you've got to do. And many people, unfortunately, they allow the time to go, and then suddenly you find that they've got so much work to do. Then the night before exams, you're going to do crash study, you're going to stay awake the whole night, but you got so much work to do. So the purple line represents the amount of work that you got to cover, blue line represents your exams, and we're going to discuss how to avoid this trap. Secondly is the concept of memory. The purple line, studies have shown that the brain works in an amazing way. If you learn something today, you'll know it very well, but within a day, 2 days, 3 days, you're going to forget it. And we'll look at techniques how to transfer that knowledge that you have from short-term memory into long-term memory. Okay, so that you are ready for your exams. All right, so please tell your children, grandchildren, please join me with this next session. October is a very, very busy month, and it's also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Stay well, look after yourself, stay focused. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.